Assalamualaikum. Hi guys. In this video, we are going to continue with the next subtopic, the last one for chapter 2, electronic configuration. These are the learning outcomes that you have to understand from this subtopic. We are going to continue with the definition of electronic configuration. As you see from here, electronic configuration is a method that we will use to describe the distribution of electrons among the various orbitals in an atom. We've learned various orbitals in an atom based on previous video. For example, s orbital, p orbital, or d orbital. It depends on which element you are talking about. For example, I have lithium with its proton number is 3. So when you have lithium, this is how you draw in previous SPM level the Bohr's atomic model for lithium with the nucleus in the middle of it and the symbol for lithium. And after that, in the first shell, you have 2 electrons, and the second shell, you have 1 electron, makes up 3 electrons. Now, if you want to write the electronic configuration as previous experience, you will write it down as 2.1 to indicate 3 electrons. However, this electronic configuration is not so accurate because it doesn't state which orbital and which energy level that electrons is located at. So we are going to learn in more depth about how to write the proper electronic configuration. As I mentioned before, electronic configuration is how you represent the electrons in various orbitals of an atom, and we got 2 ways here. The first one is SPDF notation and the second one is orbital diagram. So if I take carbon as my example, I have 6 electrons for carbon. In SPDF notation, I will write it down as 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. If you see here, you got 2 electron, 2 electron, and 2 electron, made up 6 electrons. Same goes if you write it down in orbital diagram, you can write it down as in this form. So this is how orbital diagram looks like. As you see here, you got 2 electrons here, 2 and 2. So in order for us to write the electronic configuration based on these 2 methods, we are going to learn a few rules first. So there are 3 rules or principles of filling electrons into the atomic orbitals for an atom, and you have to make sure these 3 rules are applied at the same time. There are Aufbau principle, Hans rule, and Pauli exclusion principle. So I'm going to continue with the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!